So the switch broke. I made a video fixing it. Broke again. Then some plastic actually got inside the switch, and then it totally died. I called the company first. They sent me a switch rocker thing, like the plastic, and then they sent me a whole power unit when they said the switch broke. I did fix the switch while I was waiting. But let's go change the power unit. This one I'm just gonna throw out. Cut the cord off because it already makes noise, like the bearings are going out. Save the switch, and that's it. Just get this whole thing out after you get the top off, which is already removed. Just keep on unthreading these T25 Torx screws, and there you go. Look, we're wearing pants today. Yeah, it was like 40 degrees last night. These places are not insulated at all. And the interior of your home will be in the 60s when it's 40 degrees outside. It's kind of incredible. Luckily I have a stack of boxes. I think it's acting as like insulation. I swear to God, it's not as cold as what it used to be in the house. Alright, so that is that. That's our random fact of the day. As we're doing this, usually it's supposed to be 90 in January down here. And then you can get your power unit out. Like I said, this thing doesn't make noise. I'm not hoarding stuff anymore. I would keep it or run it till it starts going on fire, but I'm just not into it anymore. I'm just gonna throw it out. It might work in another vacuum, it might not, but it's done. Last one. And then the thing that falls out, you got that little piece, I think that went in like that. I think so. I don't think it went in the other way. I don't remember. That goes in like that. And yeah. That thing is dusty. A screw over there, no screw over here. That's weird. I don't know, maybe that's the float thing. I don't know. I'm not a vacuum technician. Yeah, but this thing makes bearing noises anyway. So there we go. Like new vacuum for free. Clean it all up. Put the cup back. To open the side. Faces down, I believe. Looks like that. And then tighten them up. Like brand new. Having all the fun, man. This guy's got it made. Ride around a little shit all day. Where are they over there? They're jumping it. Definitely the trick is to clean it all up. Comes out really nice. This thing is filthy tight. But this goes on like so. That goes through the wire. The power wire. It should all go together. Just gotta pop it down. This tab has to go down. We'll get it. Has to go to the back, then the front. Now we got it. Nice. That's really quiet. Wow, the other one was so loud. Probably sucks better. It just doesn't even smell like burning electric. So there we go. I'm a professional vacuum repairman. There's videos. People hack these things out and they're cutting holes in it and they're rigging it up to stay on. All over YouTube. Just call up the company, explain the situation. They might work out a deal with you. That's all I'm saying. Any company. All you gotta do is reach out to people. But people don't do it, and then they hack up stuff. I see it with vehicles all the time too. They hack up some repair when they can buy a part. They're out there for peanuts on the dollar, and just replace it, fix it, instead of trying to put your rendition on the repair and it looks Frankenstein. That is that. It is a brand new machine, and this, like I said, we're probably just gonna chuck it. It does still work, but it makes a lot of noise. I'm just going to salvage the switch because I took it all apart and I rebuilt the switch. It was kind of a pain in the ass. Little broken parts were in there. I had to pick them all out. Yeah, probably just gonna chuck it. We don't need it. Let's cut the cord. If I didn't mention this one I found in the trash. This one I found in the trash as well. And it was missing one little wheel. I took them all off. I could have bought a wheel assembly and a wheel for like dollars on the cents. I called up the company. I kind of want to put it on wheels again. It's gonna be a couple bucks. That was a dumbass. Why did I take all the wheels off for? Stupid. This is a good one though. Again, used to have wheels.